Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital, Skilling Oneself. On the Eurostroma is the CEO by name Walton Doom. So today I'll be drilling you on how to create this magnificent marketing and advertising poster on super delicious burger. Wow, I hope we are already salivating. So I'll be showing you how to design this. Okay, are you ready? So we'll be using our application Pixellab. I'm sure most of you already know of Pixellab. So what I did, I just imported the handles that we will use here easily in order to facilitate the design. So I'll import first the hamburger. We're going to work on this hamburger. Okay, so I enlarge it. Okay, now I will have to change. I have to work on the color, the background color. Change the background color because it was black. Yes. Okay. We are starting already. I hope you're all following up. Good. Now we have to add text. So adding text. We'll type super in uppercase. Centralize it here. We'll increase the font size. Let's put it to 50. Let's put it to 50. Yeah. And we'll change the font. Change the font. Choose this one cell. I'll go for the start. I'll use it. Now I'll be checking if it's going or not. So centralize it. Centralize it. Good. Now I will have to insert shape. Okay. Insert the shape. Try to shape. I want to start working on my design. I'll choose a color yellow. Yes. Yellow. You see this one? No. This one is better. Choose a color yellow. Now here I take it to the back. Okay. Now my design is coming already. Are we seeing? I hope you're observing clearly. Okay. If you have any worry, there will be a link in the descriptive part of this tutorial where you can post your questions and all your difficulties that you are encountering. Okay, so our design is already coming up. And what I will do now, I will do a repetition of this. Just repeat this. Now I'll change. I'll type delicious. I will still repeat this here. Now type burger. Centralize it. So we have what we call hierarchy. So I will try to reduce this font size. So as we should emphasize on delicious burger. So I'll increase the size of delicious. Increase the size of delicious. Put it to 60. I'll do same with burger. I'll put it to 60. Okay, because I'm trying to convey a message. Try to centralize it. Click here. Centralize it. Take this one also. Centralize it. Centralize it. Okay. So our burger too should be centralized. Okay. I'm trying to align it center. Okay. bring it closer to the Google. Bring it closer. Yeah. Super delicious. Okay, now I'll bring in my logo. That is the logo. Now type the text. Do nice bakery. Do nice bakery. Yes. And we'll reduce the font. Reduce the font to about 15. We'll be changing the font later on if it's not suiting the design. Okay, we can align this on the left, but some people would like to align it in the middle as well. So it all depends on the design, on the designer. But I think that I will like to that is a logo. Put it here, left. Try to shift it down a little bit. I can change this color as to make it attractive too. I can choose color yellow. See, so delicious. What is delicious? Like the word delicious. Put it in yellow. Now I can work on its emboss. I click, I select it, I come to emboss. Try to see which one will be good. Put it on 342. Still good. What you call it, emboss? All of them. Normally I would have embossed one and do the repetition on all. I will just do that. See, then it becomes more attractive. We call it emboss that. So now the font. Checking on which fonts. As you are designing, you're going to have to take into consideration the font that you use. Some adjustments. And now we have to design the call for action. Take a rectangle. We work on its radius. Make it look a little bit circular. color black.
Supporting the rich and non-rich to become what they want be. You got to believe in your dream and then see
Call to action.
But you got prodigy.
Obviously edit it. Use the to make it more circular. Now I'll call to order, type a text, just copy, arrange the telephone number, because the order now you have to be telephone number +23 7 675 80118. Now before I'll come then and arrange address, the website bakery. Okay, so I'll try to change this font. Try to reduce the size of this as well.
Supporting the rich and non-rich to become what they want be. You got to believe in your dream and then see for opportunity. But you got prodigy.
You have to centralize it. Change the color to black. Change this to black. Try to centralize it as well. Centralize it. Good. Now we equally import our decorative shapes. This one we try to put it by the side to make it look
empowering you don't want the chosen life to become. Supporting the rich and non-rich to become what they want be. You got to believe in your dream and then see for opportunity. But you got prodigy.
There are shapes that I used to design them. Difficulties, you can contact me. I'll show you how to do that. Now we only have to import this flavor. This is the flavor. Okay, to make it look realistic. Okay, so you can check in the descriptive part of this. I will try to insert this. Yes, so you can download them and equally practice. So in a bulk, this is our design. Okay, so this is how you can design a super marketing and advertising poster for your clients and make money. Okay, so click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell in order to always receive our updates. I hope you enjoy it. I'm watching you. Make sure you subscribe such that you always receive our premium skills. There are many skills already uploaded in my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. And don't forget to keep your comments. Share my skills. God bless you.